there, are you, mate?
Yeah, man. It was good.
What site? Look at what's the expert in action. Oh, it's a nice garden, isn't it?
I know.
There's a wind in it.
Got
You
me.
can sound on that.
Yeah, it'll probably quiet it down. Hopefully, anyway.
Is it big?
Yes, they are.
Is it big?
Is it big?
Yeah.
Not really big.
Why ain't you dressed up?
Hey,
Yeah.
not that.
You finished school now, then?
I'm in college now.
Oh yeah, what are you studying?
Football academy and sports psychology.
Oh, nice.
I think I'm in tomorrow, and then other than that, I think I'm done other than for this football tournament next week.
Which college you at?
How's Owen? So it's Villa one.
The
Sad to
Mighty
say.
Villa, is the term.
No,
The Mighty Villa.
shit
That's,
Villa.
that's
No,
the term. The Mighty Villa.
no, not mighty at all.
Have a word, Carl. Have a word. What's that? He's trying to diss the Mighty Villa.
You'll never get me saying mighty at all.
I've just renewed my season ticket for the Mighty Villa.
Can you see that with the camera, Ben?
Yeah, so
Well,
zoomed
that's
into
quite
the
good, isn't it?
Yeah, just gonna be okay there. Inside there will be the Queen. In the middle. So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna check it into here.
Still don't know what they're going to do with the album.
Been here fucking 3 days, ain't he?
I've no idea. He sent the message yesterday. But to be fair, the bloke over the garden, he says he had a swarm of them around about 2 or 3 days ago.
Fuck you, man.
Wouldn't want them in your garden, would you?
Nah.
No.
We've got no bushes in our garden, thankfully.
No.
Where do you sit for the bit of them?
I sit, posh, Trinity Road, right up front, right by the Duggets. Front row.
Oh,
Yeah.
fair enough then.
I treated myself when I finish work.
Oh, yeah. To be fair, ain't bad. From looking from on the TV, that looks too bad.
It's a good view.
Yeah.
But I went to the Chelsea game.
Oh, you got to go?
Yeah, I did. I got lucky.
I was looking to go to the West Ham game.
Did you really?
I was in the Smith weekend
Oh.
for the Albion. I'll try to go in the Brummy, but thankfully I got the Smith in the end.
Did you have to enter the lottery then? Kind of thing?
Ballot, yeah.
Yeah, I
5,
entered the ballot.
5.5k of us went.
Well, because it's a peasanty team, isn't it? So it's almost
Yeah,
full for you, is it? 5,000. It's almost rammed. Up for the Mighty Villa.
Shut up.
Up for the Mighty Villa.
You're already pissing me off.
Of course. So there's only 10,000 there. It was brilliant. Loved it.
Yeah,
But
but
we're in the gods. Was it the same at the Alp? Did they put you up in the gods?
nah, I'd let sit anywhere. So you know, got people by the front rows,
Oh,
the
no,
top.
we had to go and sit right at the gods.
The only one stand we couldn't sit was the West Stand, because that's where the players were.
I've been to the new Wembley.
I've been to Wembley before, yeah.
The new one.
The most recent one,
That's
that's it,
the new one. You're young enough to know, right? Where'd you go? Did you see there?
yeah.
Through
England.
the academy. Did you?
Yeah. Fruit was school.
Oh, so we say something. Because I went to, obviously, Villa last season in the cup, weren't they?
Yeah.
By Man City in the
Oh,
cup last
I was in the pub watching that. Oh, mate, when the pub was at, everyone was a Villa fan. I'm the only Albion fan there, with an Albion scarf and an Albion top on. I've got it all hidden up like. So.
Nice. I thought he was a Villa fan.
He is.
I am a Villa fan.
But where did your love of Albion come from?
He's fucking
Next step, that.
Oh, Daz.
Darren, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. You let me down there, fat man.
Well,
You really
know
have
what-
let me
you know
down
what
there.
Jim's like.
What is fine?
Yeah.
I got taken to a game to get into the Albion. So,
Well, we've got our crosses to bear, I suppose.
to be fair, it's better going to the Albion. It's less money to pay to go to the game. One train from Rowley to Hawthorns.
Because he
Simple.
wouldn't go, would he?
Nah. He's gone to a few Albion games, to be fair. Seen the Albion in for the Villa game, so.
I'm looking forward to it, I am. Hopefully, mid-August. Hopefully.
I don't know when they're going to renew the Albion tickets. I'm hoping I can get into the Brummie though.
Have you got season tickets?
I've got a season ticket, yeah. I had one for the season we got promoted.
Yeah.
But I didn't renew it because of COVID.
Have you signed a new manager yet?
No.
Are you going to?
I don't know.
Because he's marching on a bit, isn't he?
I mean, to be fair, at least we're not Celtic. 100 and odd days without a manager.
Mad that is, isn't it?
I know.
I don't understand that. Who do you want? There's Panic.
I want Lampard
Nah.
for the Chelsea links.
Jacob chance.
See, we only had the call yesterday. So that white,
Yeah.
that's where they've started to make cone. See here?
Is that where they make like another nest or?
Yeah.
So how long do you think they've been there then, dude?
Only a while, like he says, probably only a
Few days.
couple of 3 days, yeah.
And while we're just rambling on about football, what is
I know, yeah, I know. Because you can't use this video now because we've just spent talking about football.
He'll do a voiceover, don't worry.
Oh, really?
I don't know.
Right,
I hope he does.
He'll have to. You push possible strengths and stuff.
So basically, here we have me showing the bees.
What are you going to do with him now, Carl?
I'll take them up to the farm where we've just really got this gear from,
Yeah.
and I'll put them with my other bees.
And then they won't come back, do they? Do they just get a new hive and that's
No,
it?
because the queen is in here somewhere,
Yeah.
and basically they ain't going to go nowhere where the queen's not. I'd say she's over this corner.
How long for all the bees go, if that makes sense?
I'm going to leave this now.
Yeah.
Come back later.
And they should all be in that box.
Yeah. I'll come back to that dark now.
But if we can't get Lampard, I'll take Wilder. I don't want Wilder,
Change
but
their mind.
That's if the bees have read the manual.
If they watch the same YouTube videos you have.
Yes.
Yes. Wilder's apparently, the Albion have said no to Wilder, haven't they?
fuck knows what's going on with
So
them.
I'd have had Wilder all day every day.
We're not close, then no longer close, and then Appleton's coming, but Wilder's still an option.
Appleton's the cheap, easy option, isn't he?
He's still at Lincoln though, so we'll have to pay a compensation fee. Well, we said we wouldn't pay for anyone, but we're looking for managers out of jobs.
Anyhow?
That'll come to us. I wouldn't mind him. It's just like,
The Albion are big enough, aren't they? They are big enough, friends.
yeah.
Surely.
In terms of history and all that,
Hey, man,
we
only seat 11,000.
I know. Brentford's like how they're in the Prem history and all that. Like, I'd rather have seen Swansea go up, to be fair, or even Birmingham. Like, I'd rather have a team of history in the Prem than Brentford.
All the dirty blue noses. Yes. We want them relegated, that's what we want. Dirty blue noses. The blue noses? Your son needs a serious bit of electric.
I'm glad I didn't get relegated because there's no way there next season for me.
Yeah. Did you follow them away as well, the Albion?
The season we got promoted, I went to Derby, Stoke, and Bristol. Bristol was unreal for an away day.
Was it?
Won 3-0, performance was perfect. Crowd was unreal and all that. Where I sat as well, I'll show you my view as well. Honestly, it was such a good game to watch. Obviously, this is back on the slab as well. I'll show you all my views for the away days. This is my view for the Bristol game.
Well, that's not a bad view, is it?
I was-
How big's the stadium?
It's decent size, to be fair.
Is it?
If you look at compared to the Albion, I'm not sure how big it is compared. I think we're bigger ground. So obviously, their base is just a small ground for those, to be fair.
Stop filming or still filming?